to live a life for Christ, to trust in His unseen hand, to walk with Him and talk with Him, forsake the cares of this life. I love living for Christ. The Creator of the universe, the King of heaven and earth, He who spoke it all. He purchased my soul that day on Calvary, and I'm so grateful for the day He freed me. Oh, how wonderful it is to live a life for Christ, to trust in His unseen hand, to walk with Him and talk with Him, forsake the cares of this life. I love living for Christ.
He says, come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, for my yoke is easy and my burden light. I will give you rest.
Truly wonderful it is to live my life for Christ, to trust in His unseen hand, to walk with Him and talk with Him, forsake the cares of this life. I love living for Christ. That inside teacher that whispers to my soul, speaks peace and calm over me. And the more I surrender, the more I learn to trust Him. He's so faithful. Truly wonderful it is to live this life for Christ, to trust in His unseen hand. Oh, to walk with Him and talk with Him, forsake the cares of His life. I love living for Christ. The joy of the Lord is eternally my strength, for daily my help comes from Him. My refuge and strong tower, my fortress and my friend. I love just how wonderful it is to live my life for Christ, to trust in His unseen hand. Oh, to walk with Him and talk with Him, forsake the cares of this life. Do you love? Do you love? 'Cause I love living for Christ. Our lives are for Christ.